Let's start right from a question relating to equations of tangent and normal. Four things mainly we have to find here: lengths of tangent, normal, subtangent and subnormal. Let's start. X is equal to a bracket t plus sine t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to t. What happens? Dx by dt is equal to a bracket d by dt of t is 1 plus sine t is cos t. D by dt of sine t is cos t. Now 1 plus cos t can be written as 2 cos square t by 2. Now the final answer we got 2a cos square t by 2. This is the value of dx by dt. Let it is equation 1. Now we shall take the other equation given, y is equal to a bracket 1 minus cos t. Differentiate both sides with respect to t. Do the same. Okay. Now dy by dt is equal to a bracket d by dt of 1 is 0 minus d by dt of cos t is minus sin t. Minus sin t means it becomes plus sin t. Okay. Now the answer is we are getting a into sin t can be written as 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Okay. Now the final answer for dy by dt is 2a sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Cos t by 2. Now we shall let this is equation 2 we got. Now in order to get dy by dx we shall divide equation 2 by equation 1, which gives us dy by dx value. Therefore we shall do the same. Dy by dt in the numerator and dx by dt in the denominator. This will write 2a sin t by 2 cos t by 2 in the numerator divided by dx by dt. Dx by dt value is how much? It is 2a cos square t by 2. Cos t by 2 can be cancelled, 2a also can be cancelled. Now final answer left is sin by cos means tan t by 2. This is the derivative dy by dx. Means you can call it as slope m. Can be taken as slope of the tangent. Okay. And now we shall find out the length of the tangent first. What is the length of the tangent? Formula, you know. Length of the tangent first thing we shall find out the length of the tangent is equal to y root 1 plus m square by m. Modulus you have to take, because length of the tangent is always positive. Length is always positive. Therefore, now what is y? In the given equation, y is given as a bracket 1 minus cos t. A bracket 1 minus cos t. We shall write that. In place of y, a bracket 1 minus cos t. In place of m, we got just now tan t by 2. We shall write square root of 1 plus tan square t by 2 divided by m means t by 2, tan t by 2. Sorry, tan t by 2 we shall write. Now again 1 minus cos t can be written as 2 sin square t by 2. 1 minus cos t can be written as 2 sin square t by 2. 1 plus tan square t by 2 is equal to sec square t by 2. Therefore, its square root comes as sec t by 2. Now divided by tan t by 2. Now necessary simplifications we shall do it, get the final answer for the length of the tangent. Sec t by 2. The tan t by 2 in the denominator can be written as sin by cos. Sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. If you simplify it, this cos t by 2 is multiplied with the numerator of sec t by 2. Cos into sec is 1. Therefore, cos t by 2 into sec t by 2 is, if multiplied, it gives you 1. Therefore, cos and sec are cancelled out. 2a sin square, let's say sin square we can cancel, its power becomes 1. 2a sin t by 2 is the final expression left over. This is the length of the tangent. First answer we got. Now we shall take the second thing to find out length of normal. Length of the normal. What is the formula? Do you know? It is hidden in the length of the tangent formula only. Y root 1 plus m square. That's all. Y means a bracket 1 minus cos t square root of 1 plus tan square t by 2 modulus. Again 1 minus cos t can be written as a into 2 sin square t by 2. Root 1 plus tan square t by 2 is equal to sec t by 2 modulus. Yes, 2a sin t by 2 tan t by 2. Sin by cos can be written as tan t by 2. Therefore, 2a sin t by 2 tan t by 2 is the length of the normal. What is the formula for length of the subtangent now? It is also hidden in the same first formula we have written. Y by m. A bracket 1 minus cos t is the value of y, m is tan t by 2. Again 1 minus cos t you can write a into 2 sin square t by 2. Tan t by 2. This can be written as sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. Simplify it and get the final answer. It can be written as a into 2a sin t by 2 cos t by 2. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 can be written as sin t only. Therefore, answer is a sin t. This is the length of the subtangent. Third answer we got. Now you can take the fourth answer. Length of the subnormal is equal to y into m modulus a bracket 1 minus cos t into tan t by 2. 1 minus cos t, again you can write a bracket 2 sin square t by 2. 2 sin square t by 2 into tan t by 2. Now the final answer we got as 2a sin square t by 2 tan t by 2. This is the